Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is September 8th, 2025, and we're diving into Mission Produce's latest earnings report for the fiscal third quarter of 2025. Joining us is John, a senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Mission Produce, a leader in the fresh produce industry, has just released its Q3 2025 financial results, and there's a lot to unpack, from record revenue to strategic operational insights.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Mission Produce reported a total revenue of $357.7 million for Q3 2025, marking a 10% increase from the same period last year. John, what are the key drivers behind this growth?
The revenue growth was primarily driven by a 10% increase in avocado volume sold, thanks to favorable weather conditions boosting Peruvian production. Despite a 5% decrease in average per-unit sales prices, the overall volume increase more than compensated for it.
And how about profitability?
Mission Produce achieved a net income of $14.7 million, or 21 cents per diluted share. More impressively, the adjusted EPS came in at 26 cents, significantly beating the forecast of 11 cents. This was supported by a 22% increase in gross profit to $45.1 million, reflecting strong operational efficiencies.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. John, let's talk about operational efficiencies. Mission Produce's adjusted EBITDA increased by 3% to $32.6 million. What does this tell us about their operational strategy?
This increase in adjusted EBITDA highlights Mission's ability to manage costs effectively while scaling operations. The CEO, Steve Barnard, emphasized their vertically integrated model, which allows them to adapt to market volatility and maintain supply consistency.
Looking ahead, what can we expect from Mission Produce in the coming quarters?
The company is optimistic about Q4, expecting a 15% increase in avocado industry volumes due to a robust Peruvian harvest and a favorable Mexican crop. However, they anticipate a 20 to 25% decrease in pricing, which could impact revenue growth.
Segment performance and strategic initiatives. Let's delve into the segment performance. How did the different segments contribute to the overall results?
The marketing and distribution segment saw a 7% increase in net sales to $344.1 million, driven by avocado volume dynamics. The international farming segment experienced a remarkable 79% increase in sales to $49 million, thanks to higher yields. Meanwhile, the blueberry segment, though smaller, grew by 181% to $4.5 million.
And what about their strategic investments?
Mission Produce has invested $39.8 million in capital expenditures year-to-date, focusing on orchard maintenance and infrastructure development in Guatemala and Peru. These investments are crucial for sustaining long-term growth and operational efficiency.
Key takeaways. In summary, Mission Produce has delivered a strong performance in Q3 2025 with significant revenue growth and profitability improvements. Their strategic focus on operational efficiency and market adaptability positions them well for future growth. John, any final thoughts?
Mission Produce's ability to navigate market challenges and capitalize on opportunities is commendable. With a strong Q4 outlook, they are well positioned to continue their growth trajectory. Investors should keep an eye on pricing dynamics and volume growth in the coming quarters.
Thank you, John, for your insights, and thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Mission Produce's performance in the comments below.